everyone, my name is Amy and I am the PR and Marketing Associate here at Join Laughter Developmental Therapy. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about when your baby should be able to roll over. So babies typically learn how to roll over somewhere between 4 to 6 months of age. And it's a super exciting milestone because it helps them build strength and just coordination for future movements like walking, standing, or crawling. So how do babies roll over? So there's typically two ways that babies can go about it. The first is probably going to be the easiest. That's going to be front to back. So usually it starts with a baby doing tummy time, and then they'll start to use their arms to push up and shift their weight so that they accidentally roll over onto their backs. And then over time they'll learn how to do this on purpose instead of on accident. And then the second is going to be back to front, and this one usually comes a little later just because it's a little more difficult in the sense that it requires just a bit more strength. And so this starts with the baby on their back, and they'll start using their legs to kick and then just like twist their body over so that they land on their tummy. Why is rolling over important? So rolling over is important because it helps the baby build strength, improve balance, and learn motor planning. And motor planning is essentially when they figure out how to move their body to get it where they want it to be. What if my baby doesn't roll over? So if a baby doesn't learn to roll over, they might face some challenges, and these challenges might include body awareness. So knowing where their body is in space, they might have trouble kind of just figuring that out. Coordination, so the ability to move smoothly and efficiently. Muscle strength, so they might have trouble developing strong leg muscles, core muscles, and arm muscles. Motor skills, so skills such as sitting, standing, or walking might take a little bit longer to develop. So how can you help your baby roll over? So the first is going to be giving your baby a bunch of supervised tummy time will help them build their arm, their neck, and their core muscles. Playing on the floor, so just encouraging your baby to spend a lot of time on the floor, maybe using their toys to encourage them to reach and roll over. The next is using gentle assistance, so guiding their hips and legs to be able to help them roll over. The next is making it fun, so whether that be singing fun songs or using their favorite toys, just any way to encourage them to practice rolling. The last would be to see a pediatric physical therapist, and the therapist would be able to help them in terms of providing them with different exercises and activities to just help them with their development. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, or if you want more information on rolling, or if you have any concerns, please give us a call at 408-337-2727. And thank you so much for watching this video.